The okra, corn, and tomato salad. This is a salad of the kernels of 3 oven-roasted corn cobs, 3 large diced tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 pound of okra cut into rounds, some cheese, oregano, lemon juice, and olive oil. I'm not going to show you how to roast the corn in this video, but check out the full recipe at winosity.com where I give complete instructions. If you have fresh okra, go ahead and use that, but this is frozen that I just got from the grocery store. Don't panic, yes, I'm using frozen, it will be fine, you'll see. Next, cook the okra and onions in butter until very hot and tender. The okra is going to make a sticky juice that'll help combine all the ingredients together. Remove the okra from the heat and mix in the corn, the tomatoes, the celery leaves, and the oregano. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix the fresh oregano leaves, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Then mix all this together until it becomes a dressing. Pour the dressing around the side of the bowl, and then push the veggies up into the dressing until well mixed. If you turn and push down, you crush the vegetables more, so I think this way keeps everything fresher and lighter. Now all there is to do is plate. For this one, we're just going to put it in a nice bowl and add a few garnishes like sour cream, some cheese, and some herbs. Nothing complicated, but very appetizing.